Hello, scholarship aspirants. Asian Development Bank Japan Scholarship Program 2025 and 26 is an excellent fully funded opportunity for international students with a bachelor's degree to pursue graduate studies who cannot afford further education due to financial issues. The ADB Japan Scholarship Program 2025 encourages aspirants to apply for economics, technology, management sciences, law, public policy courses, and numerous other developmental fields available. Asian Development Bank offers scholarships in Asia and Pacific region. The ADB Japan Scholarship Program 2025 aims to help developing countries by providing them with financial assistance, enabling them to be active participants in developing their home countries. Through this fantastic ADB scholarship in Japan, the Asian Bank is eager to maintain diplomatic relations with its partner countries. Furthermore, this fully funded scholarship is organized to support cultural diversity within the institute by allowing people from different cultural backgrounds to join. The ADB Japan Scholarship Program offers about 135 fully funded graduate scholarships. This master scholarship in Japan helps aspirants become a part of an extraordinary vision in providing Asian countries with a sustainable development plans. ADB Japan Scholarship Program 2025 aims to maintain regional unification and create a friendly environment where diversity is recognized, valued, and respected. This ADB Scholarship 2025 is for everyone, no matter where the applicants belong, what their gender, nationality, ethnicity, religion, whether they are physically disabled, or their perspective on the world. The Asian Development Bank Scholarship for international students are dedicated to changing the lives of scholars with great respect and love. ADB Japan Scholarship Program considers everyone as an exceptional human being because it trusts that all of them with unique skills can leave a valuable contribution to making the world a better place. These full tuition scholarship in Japan for developing countries encourages women to apply for ADB JSP 2025, which will help them feel empowered. Okay, now let's talk about disciplines offered by ADB Japan Scholarship Program 2025 and 26. So these are the disciplines offered by ADB Scholarship: economics, agriculture, earth sciences, business, management sciences, development studies, natural sciences, law and public policy, and science and technology. Fields of study under the Asian Development Bank Scholarship Program. There are many fields of study offered by different host countries, like Hong Kong and China offers Master of Science in Urban Planning and Urban Designing. India offers Master of Technology in Science and Technology. New Zealand offers Master in International Business, Master of Arts, Master of Science, Master Programs in Engineering, and Master of Public Health. Pakistan offers Master in Business Administration, while Philippines offer Masters in Business Administration, Masters in Developmental Management, Masters in Development and Management, Master of Agriculture, Master of Science, economics, agriculture, education, botany, chemistry, plant pathology, statistics, soil sciences, and many more. Singapore offers Masters in Business Administration, Master in Public Policy, Master of Social Sciences, Master of Science in Environmental Management. Thailand offers Master of Science or Engineering in the School of Engineering and Technology, School of Environment, Resource and Development. Interdisciplinary courses among schools: School of Management, Masters in Engineering, and Master in Economics. While United States offers Business Administration, Economics, Geography, Business Administration Global, Natural Resources and Environmental Management, Ocean and Resource Engineering, Oceanography, Pacific Island Studies, Public Administration, Sociology, Tropical Plant and Soil Sciences, Urban and Regional Planning, and Master of Law. While Japan offers a wide range of courses like Asian Public Policy Program, Mathematics, Physics, Chemistry, Earth and Planetary Sciences, Mechanical Engineering, Systems and Control Engineering, Electrical and Electronic Engineering, Information and Communication Engineering, Life Sciences and Technology, Social and Human Sciences, Public Management, Master in Urban Engineering, Master in Environmental Studies, Master in International Studies, Master in Sustainable Sciences, Master in Health Sciences, Master of Public Policy and International Programs, and Master of Arts in International Public Policy. Host countries for the Asian Development Bank Scholarship 2025. These are the host countries: Hong Kong, China, India, Japan, New Zealand, Pakistan, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and USA. Now let's talk about financial coverage and eligible regions. Afghanistan, Azerbaijan, Armenia, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Cambodia, Federated States of Micronesia, Fiji, Georgia, India, Indonesia, Malaysia, Marshall Island, Maldives, Mongolia, Myanmar, Nepal, Pakistan, Papua New Guinea, Philippines, Sri Lanka, Tajikistan, Thailand, Uzbekistan and Vietnam. What is the eligibility criteria for ADB 2025? Do you want to apply for scholarship in Japan? I highly support your decision to apply for this international scholarship. However, here are some requirements that the applicants must fulfill to apply for ADB Japan scholarship program. Applicants must have the nationality of an ADB borrowing country and a Japanese ODA scholarship eligible country. International students must not have dual citizenship in any developed country. They must be in good health condition. Applicants must have a bachelor's degree or its equivalent. Furthermore, they must have secured master's admission at a designated institution. They must be enrolled in any of the ADB JSP approved university. In addition, they must have exceptional academic scores, minimum 2 years of full-time work experience after a university degree, must be proficient in English language. Maximum age is 35 years. The scholars must return to their home country for 2 years after completing their degree. Students must not have worked with ADB. They shall not have any close relatives working in ADB. Applicants must not already have enrolled for any graduate degree. Applicants must fulfill the ADB Japan scholarship eligibility. What are the benefits of ADB 2025? Still in doubt? The ADB Japan Scholarship Program 2025 is full of benefits, so the scholars will receive many benefits after successfully obtaining this fully funded master's scholarship. The ADB Scholarship 2025 in Japan is fully funded for all eligible students. Asian Development Bank Japan Scholarship Program awardees will receive traveling allowances. ADB will provide a monthly stipend. Housing and stay allowances will be provided to students. Books and other study material allowance, medical insurance, specific research grant for research scholars. The fully funded ADB Japan Scholarship Program is an opportunity to become a part of cultural exchange. This is an opportunity for students to gain international exposure. This fully funded Japan Scholarship is a chance for students to widen their network internationally, building excellent opportunity for the future, and international students will get an opportunity to study free in top institutions worldwide. Now let's talk about what are the requirements for acquiring this scholarship. ADB Japan Scholarship Program requirements. The applicants must submit these documents when applying for the Asian Development Bank Japan Scholarship Program 2025. Otherwise, the applications would be considered incomplete. Latest income tax return certificate of salary, annual or monthly. Family income statement, copies of academic record, study plan, complete application form. The application form is available at online application portal. ADB Japan Scholarship Selection Criteria. Here is some additional information regarding the selection criteria for the ADB JSP scholarship in Japan. There are 4 stages. Stage 1, a list of shortlisted applicants is sent to ADB. Stage 2, ADB reviews the recommended applicants list, which is further sent to the Japanese executive director. Stage 3, ADB sends names and selects scholars to institute. Stage 4, selected applicants are informed by the institute. Now let's talk about the application process. Don't know how to apply for the ADB Japan Scholarship Program? Worry not. Here is the step-by-step application process to help applicants easily apply for this opportunity. Applicants must send a request for an application form to the desired institutes. They must provide personal details, submit a study plan, provide all the required documents and academic records, must provide current and previous work experience, must provide references for previous employment, answer the question asked, which include any other additional resources if required, the reason for choosing the specific course from the specified institution. After completing the required documents, the applicants must send a document to the chosen institution. Applicants must mention their field of interest, complete the application form carefully and submit it before the ADB JSP 2025 deadline. After submission of the applications from the applicants, the institute evaluate and decide on the applicants and admission. After deciding, the institution sends shortlisted applicants to ADB. ADB reviews these shortlisted applicants from institutions and recommends awardees based on the selection criteria. In the end, ADB selects scholars and inform all the institutions. The institutions will inform all selected scholars. Now let's talk about what is the deadline for ADB Japan Scholarship. So there is no defined deadline for the ADB Japan Scholarship Program 2025. Therefore, try applying as soon as possible. Applications for the Asian Development Bank Japan Scholarship Program 2025 are now open. So what are you waiting for? Apply now and grab the opportunity.